It is sunset, which means it's time for Aquavia Lumina. Now, I've been here before, but everybody else in the fam has not. I'm so excited for them to see this. It is such a experience. It's so immersive. It's so like emotional. I can't wait to get back in and see it. When I was here a few months ago, it was like 20 below zero. So I kind of like scurried through it. I hurried. And now I can kind of take a little bit more time. Now, this is only open certain times throughout the evening, certain days. So go ahead and check the website. It's time to go in, get checked in, and check out Aquavia Lumina.
Welcome to Aquavia Lumina. If you have already purchased tickets, or by stopping inside at one of our stations. Thanks for joining us, and remember to take time and eat.
All right, I just want to show you real quick the pricing here so you know there are concessions, but there's also the admission, which is $24.99 per person. And then there are some different beverages here that you can buy, some beers, seltzers, things like that, as well as snacks and treats. Sweaters, all sorts of amazing stuff. Like, it's all like really good quality too. Yeah. So if you come here, you can either buy your tickets at the counter, or you can come and just buy tickets right here on this touchscreen machine. That way it's a little bit easier and smoother to get through the process. Then once you get your tickets, you just go ahead and sign in and get your tickets to the attendant, and then you can head outside. So let's head outside right now and check that out. So this is kind of an overlook of where we're going. Aquavia Lumina starts on this trail, and you go all the way back through there. It takes about an hour or so to walk through the place. I mean, it could definitely take longer, but if you're like constantly walking, it's about an hour. So prior to going on the trail, you can actually hang out right here. There's little fire pits. You can kind of gather and kind of just sit and chill out before you go on in. But it's a really cool vibe here. And like it starts like instantly as soon as you get outside. Like the whole vibe just completely changes, and it's like peaceful and serene. There's like music playing in the background. They're kind of like softly talking, telling you the story, or like kind of getting you ready, the instructions. But it's so cool.
Your journey to the source begins at last. Where are we? To find the source, one must journey into canyon night. Music and illusion. Each zone flows in a loop. Take your time to enjoy its magic. The experience spans 45 to 60 minutes. Your journey to the source begins at last.
So like I was explaining, as you're walking through this, you go through these different zones, these different areas, and it tells a story from the beginning to the end of water. So it's like each station changes, and then you go on and you go through this evolution basically. And we're gonna keep walking through it, but I just kind of wanted to explain a little bit. Now, it's very busy tonight. It's way busier than it was the last time I was here. So I'm gonna probably not talk as much in this video like I did the last one, but I did want to stop and kind of tell you that, and I'll stop a couple more times and explain a couple other things. But let's check out the rest of the place. So that is Aquavia Lumina. Now, I didn't show you the entire walkthrough because I don't want to ruin the surprise of some of it, but I did show you pretty much every section, at least a little bit. Now this is open every day of the year. I will leave a link in the description down below where you can find all the information about it, but I highly suggest coming to check it out if you're in the Dells, because it is just an absolute vibe. It's so cool. It's so immersive. It's so like emotional. It's just a feeling. So link is in the description down below, but this is Aquavia Lumina.